Hello dears, and welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna. It's 1st of October right now, and today we have an incredible weather, absolutely insane. It's around 33 degrees on the sunshine in October. Let's go and check out what Benidorm is looking like today. We start today's video right next to the hotel Les Dunes Comodoro, and as you can see, the beach might not be saying a lot today. There are quite a lot of people right there on the paid sunbeds. Quite a few people walking down the Levante Beach promenade, and geez, it's hot today. You need to bring some sun hats, some sunglasses, bottle of water, because it's actually insanely warm, and it's nothing typical for the October month, so bear that in mind if you decide to book for next year thinking it's gonna be more or less the same. You never know. It's more an exception of the rules than the rule. Usually it's quite warm, but not like it is right now. We have August temperatures today in Benidorm town. Even the pedals are still here. By the way, you can rent them for around 20 to 22 euros for an hour, and they don't care about the age of the children. They just give you life vests, and that's basically it. And if you can swim, not even a life vest, so bear that in mind. They're still here, the same as the aqua park, the floating aqua park on the Levante Beach and then the Poniente Beach too. They are still absolutely functioning because the temperatures are making people come here last minute, are making people to enjoy the beach. So obviously all the attractions, all the water activities will be here as well. Even though the beach can still say to us that, hey, it's autumn, it's not too busy, but guess where all the people are at today? In the bars. Look at this. The Cayman Beach Bar. This is very popular and well known for cocktails, different types of deals. They cater for stag hen parties, bridal showers, etc. Look at this madness. This is absolutely insane. And then you have this is what the Tiki Beach is looking like. This is absolutely insane. They even had to bring back the security in order to make sure that everything is all right and that there is no issues here at the beach, because it's absolutely crowded these days. Look at that. People are in shock. They've even put the water, you know, the water on top. You can actually see it as it's evaporating. It's being done to cool down the terraces as it is, to make the air slightly more tolerable at these highest temperatures today on the 1st of October. Usually all this water, like temperature regulation, was not on already. It didn't make any sense, but right now it is once again. Just look at this madness. Everything is absolutely full. We've even seen some police cars passing by just to make sure that everything is all right. Even people with luggages, probably they're departing today, just grabbing the last rays of sunshine here on the Levante Beach. The jungle is extremely busy as well. They have Aguila beer lager, 2 for €4.50 euros, and then they have bucket prices for 10 euros and 10 cents, which is absolutely doesn't make any sense at all. 10 euros and 10 cents for a bucket. What are these 10 cents for? I'm quite sure these are for a terrace tax that we're back right now. Obviously I'm joking, but maybe that's the case actually. Maybe that is the case, because 10 cents just like that for a bucket extra, it's like a silly price. It doesn't make any sense at all. There are a lot of shops like this. This is like a proper shop. It's not a Chinese one. Here you can see all the prices. So this is like a typical recommended shop. 5 euros for a towel, 7.50 for children to play at the beach, 7 for glasses, sunscreen for 9, 10 euros. And these bags that I really like, these ones, natural ones, Benidorm, they cost 5 euros. Look at this. 5 euros for a bag like this. Not a bad price. By the way, this is how you know when it's a legit shop where you can actually buy something and they will not steal the money from you or overcharge you with something. Why? Because there are prices there. typical Chinese shops. Oh, there's a mojito here right on the bin. Typical Chinese shops that don't have any kind of price on them usually are the ones that are scamming people, and if it's a tourist you'll pay more. If you don't know what the price is, you'll pay more. You know, you'll always end up paying more, so bear that in mind. Copacabana cocktails for 7 euros. That's actually very nice. 7 euros. That's not a bad price at all, isn't it? 7 euros for a cocktail. Obviously there are happy hour deals here too, but it's a typical normal price here in town. My goodness, it's getting so hot, it's insane. You can barely stay on the sunshine. It's like it's literally summertime right now. That's why King Coco here, they also put these water fans. That's what the name is. These are like water fans. They are going on like every 5 to 10 seconds, and they're bringing the cooler air inside on the terrace so that it would be slightly more tolerable to stay on the sunshine. Obviously it's strange to see it like this. We thought that the beach will be extremely busy. However, now I get why it's not the case. People who are usually coming in October do not tolerate the heat very well. They're coming for nice weather, nice temperatures, you know, but they're not coming for 30 something degrees in October. That's why they're coming that late in a year. Golden autumn. But they were not ready for this weather. So they're either in the sea, cooling down by the swimming pool. Look at this. The bulldog also is really busy today. Wow. Or they're all on the terraces. Like, it's even burning the hands. The sun is really active. See, you can see a lot of people that got sunburns even in October. So bear that in mind. Bring sunscreen. Although probably in about a week or two it's not going to be the case. It's right now the hottest day of them to start the October month. But at the end of this week we'll have around 26, 27 once again. The Stars, very strange place. It's opening from 10 in the morning up until 1 at night. This is like a terrace for cocktails. They have some TV screens, giant ones out there. But usually they had some information here on what they're actually offering. And to be honest, I'm not surprised that there is literally no one. Because people don't know what they can find here. People don't know the prices. People have no idea. And since they're not putting it anywhere as other places are, like here for example, they do put all the advertisement for the menu. Here as well, the Blaue Walvis, the blue whale for example, they also put all the menu, all the entrees, all the cocktails, everything. 5 euros, San Francisco cocktail without alcohol. Alcohol one, 8 euros. Tropical Green, 6 on the Beach, Red Passion, 8 euros. Tequila Sunrise, 8 euros. Even the ice cream places are still open. This is absolutely insane, you guys. Absolutely insane. Extremely busy today. We're glad we came here. Obviously, we were expecting way more people at the beach. Although there are some, taking into consideration it's October. Someone is doing cable ski right there. Wow. Cable skis, jet skis, boats. The life is flowing here on the Levante Beach. A lot more bars, a lot more cafeterias right there too. Everything is quite busy, I must say. And it's great to see Benidorm like this. We don't like the heat, however. I'm sorry to tell this to you guys, but we who live here, we thought it was over. We thought it was over. And it came back again. The heat is here back again. And it's not something we enjoy, to be honest with you. The lazy cow. Quite a lot of people, some parties going on inside. Ice cream, cocktails, barbecue ribs, etc. The beach terrace, Lil Bob's as well, beach bar. All the tattoo shops, everything is open right now. Oh my goodness. It's really hot. Really hot. And they sell already things for autumn. That's insane. cafe and crepe, €1.70. Wow, that's not a bad price at all. Coffee and crepe from 9 till 12. And from 5 till closure. Sangria, 1 liter, and chips, €12. Not bad at all, isn't it? Really, really busy today, I must say. Incredibly hot day in Benidorm town, which is why a lot of people are either at the bar or by the beach enjoying the lovely Mediterranean Sea and getting some fresh Spanish tan. This is what the beach is looking like today. It's actually very nice outside, I'm not gonna lie. If just not for the heat, just a couple of degrees less would be a perfect temperature. But even so, oh, here it's cool, nice and refreshing. Even so, there's a lot of people searching for terraces like this one, searching for terraces to stay somewhere while the sun will set down slightly more, a bit more, so that they could continue enjoying the lovely walks. This is what Benidorm is looking like on the 1st of October here in Costa Blanca in Spain. Incredible weather, too hot for October, historical temperatures and records once again in our town. Thank you for accompanying us on today's informative walking tour, and we'll see you already tomorrow in a brand new video where we'll talk about the latest Benidorm news update. I'll see you then. Bye.